Hey everyone, today I have got a quick and super useful tip for QA engineers and developers alike. So we are going to use browser DevTools, specifically the console and network tab, to find bugs faster and makes bug reporting way more useful. So let's jump right in and take a look at this. So here I have a demo website, and let's imagine this is a site that you are testing, and the developer often usually coded a JavaScript function behind a button. Let's say this is a submit button, and when you click on it, it makes an API call in the background, or it might run a JavaScript. So when you click the login button, let's say you see that the functionality is not working. So how do you debug? Create a bug report, and provide with uh, more information about what's happening. You cannot just simply say the button is not working. Let's say this is a login button, and when you click on it, it's not working. But what if you can find more technical information and provide it when creating a bug report? That will save the developer 10 times in understanding what is the real problem is. So let's go and use this useful tool called the Developer Tools inside Chrome browser. For example, it is available in Edge and Firefox browser also. So how to activate it? Press the Option Command I. If you are using Windows, Control Command I in Windows. So I usually go with right clicking and then clicking the inspect and then clicking the console tab. You can do it either way. So right now here we are. So if you want to, let me show you an example where, let's say this is a login button, and the developer usually codes a JavaScript method or an API call. So let's see this. So the developer usually can code some information for troubleshooting purposes. So if the developer has coded something like this, so this is what will happen. So when you click console.log, you see a simple message. That is actually a exception catched and logged here that the developer has coded, but you don't know until you open this console and see this actual thing that is printed in the console log. So let's say the developer might have included a JavaScript warning to be logged when you click a button on your website. So you see a warning here, and then the same way console.error. So these are the critical information. And let's say I go to a website like this, and you see that when you open the console, you see a lot of requests being made in the background, and you see a lot of errors coming here. There is a get request, there is an API call here. So you can open this, and you can find more information, and it says blocked by client. This is because this is an advertisement, and I have installed the ad blocker, so it is blocked by the client. So maybe you are testing your application, and you now know why a particular image or a particular content on the website is classified as advertisement by ad blocker, and it is blocked, and you can report this in your bug report. And also you can see there are network tabs that you can use to see the performance, the loading time of various elements of the page. And let me go to this one. So you can see when your page loads, you see the status of various calls here, and you can also see the performance. There are a lot of things you can dig into, and other important thing is the lighthouse. So there are a lot more things that you can do. So this is a powerful tool that as a QA or even a developer, you can code your JavaScript if you are a developer, and then see what actually happening in the background. So that is why it's called the developer tool, but QA also can use this. So this is gold. So you can simply copy this error message and add it to your report. So that gives so you are giving the developer a first-hand view of the problem. And that's it. In under 5 minutes, you just learned how to open the DevTools how to get the information from the logs, and you also saw all the network failures that is happening here. For example, you'll see that in red, and you also understood how to make better bug reports. So whether you are a QA or a developer, this saves a lot of time. It builds the trust and helps your whole team move faster. So if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips like this. Catch you next time.